Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel, and this is ReviveX MMO. The MMO stands for Make Money Online. Along with Make Money Online stuffs, I would also be posting premium paid indicators for trading for those who are indicator traders, and I'll show people or show you all how to use it, and I'm going to leave it for free, completely for free. So if you're new to this channel or this is your first time engaging with my content, then I'd suggest that you subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so that when I start dropping these videos and those indicators, you will not miss out any of them. Quite good indicators, and I'm giving them out completely for free, guys, completely for free. So for today, I want to talk about NFT. There are those who do not really know much about NFT, non-fungible token. It's also kind of correlated to the crypto world that we know. Why I'm giving a review of this platform is that I have a friend who worked with this website that I'm about to show you right now, and he mined NFTs for free. Each hour gives you, I'm going to show you when I go into my screen. I'm going to go into my browser and I'm going to show you all how to go about it. And he withdrew, I think within a space of how long was that? I think 3 months or thereabout. He made up to 100,000 naira. Yeah, 100,000 naira. That should be above $100. And he withdrew it, and I saw the withdrawal. So I don't bring about things that are fake. If there are things I'm not sure of, I will tell you about it. So without wasting much of your time, let me get into the website. So this right here is the website that I told you about. You see, right now, as you can see from my dashboard, you can see my balance. You can see the NFT that I have, and here it says NFT up to 500 NFT every hour. If you start using this site, if you want to know how to swap all of these ones right here, like what we have here, you can let me know and I will help you all out. Yeah, like all of this right here. See these, see these, see these. You see that it's not showing NFT, but you can swap these for NFTs. So I can show you all how to do that. But what the purpose of this video is to show you how to mine for this NFT every hour. In fact, the mining is for 24 hours, while the spin is every hour. So I'm going to actually show you how to do all of this right now. First, I'll go to the spin. So this is what I do. I'm going to tap right here, this hamburger icon, tap on it, and I'm going to come down to where it says free. Check it out right there. I'm going to tap free, and it's going to load up. Yeah, of course there will be ads. That is how the site make their own revenue. Close this, and then you see for referral, invite friend and get 30 NFT. So for each person you refer, you're getting free 30 NFT. And then for the spins, see, take free NFT every hour. So I'm going to spin now and see what I get. Tapping on spin. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, we're almost there. Almost 500. Oh, see, almost hit the 500 margin actually for the first time. So well, you can be fortunate, more fortunate than I am. So what about the mining? So you come here, the hamburger icon again, and come all the way down here, mining. Going to tap that and let it load up. It's loading. Little patience, guys. Loading. Oh, good. So you see right here, I'm going to, it depends on how many NFTs you have, so you can rent and mine. So for me, I'm going to rent this first one right here for 5.35313 NFT, and I'm going to tap on it, rent, and I'm going to select NFT right here, NFT. So you're renting for 5 point something NFT, and this is what you're expecting to get your reward. That's this right here, 8.7500 NFT. So I'm going to select, tap on select and confirm. Now automatically it's already mining. You see right here, you can see it's mining. So if it's done, they will send you an email and you will know that it is done. Then you can come back and repeat the process. Or you could see something like this. See that's orange circular stuff right there pointing? Yeah, that tells you that your mining is done. So you can tap on it to see the progress. You see it says April 16 2023, 5:31 GMT, mining finished. One more. So that is just it about it. So when you're done, when you have reached around 600 NFT or thereabouts, you can withdraw to any wallet of your choice. That's just about it for the video, guys. So I'm leaving the link of this site down the description of this video, so you can click on it, sign up, and let's go get that NFT money together. See you on my next video, guys.